to end. Popsicles dripping in the freezer. Lights out by the shore. Thinking of summer strolling by the door. Ice cream melts fast, especially when love never seems to last. Never mind, I'll learn to like ice cream served in cups, 'cause like cones crumble when you don't know how to chew it. These lovers seem to fade faster than light. Ice cream melts fast. None of these summer lovers seem to last. Chocolate mint stains on my lips. Your fingertips can never get a taste of this. Ice cream knew how much I love its flavor. I guess it's so for fun, 'cause love can't be much better than ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream, more than you'll ever need.
Good morning, guys. So I wanted to show you guys what a morning in my life looks like, so I decided to film my morning today. And I actually just finished swimming. I did around 40 minutes of swimming with my brother, and I look like a complete mess, but we're gonna ignore that. So I'm just gonna take a quick shower, then I might have a light breakfast. It's currently like 10:30, so it's not actually breakfast anymore, maybe brunch. Then I'm gonna show you guys some of the other stuff I do before the afternoon comes. I just finished showering and now I'm gonna do my skincare real quick. I'm not gonna delve much into it because I already did this routine so many times on my channel. I even have a skincare video up and I'll link it somewhere here. So for the last step of my skincare routine, I can never forget to wear sunscreen. So I wear sunscreen even if I'm at home because I like sitting by windows and the sunlight can come through the windows, and I like my skin to be protected at all times. So I still put 50 SPF sunscreen. So for my hair, normally I don't blow dry it unless I'm gonna film something or if I'm going out, which is not the case because we're under modified enhanced quarantine once again. So I'm just gonna be combing through a bit, so just so that it can get a bit more dry, then I'm gonna leave it to air dry. And my hair is actually really thick, so it takes a really long time to air dry. Sometimes it takes hours, so we're just gonna leave it there. my late breakfast or brunch. I'm having this ube cheese vanessa from at Kennedy Kitchen PH. It's actually my friends, so do check them out. So my mom was obsessed with ube cheese pandesals at one point, so she bought like from 5 different stores, and this is by far her most favorite, and it's actually mine too. So I'm having this, and also I'm having a matcha latte. I'm having it with low-fat milk. I'm obsessed with matcha latte, and I just recently discovered that we have a milk frother at home, so it totally upped my matcha latte game. Like, look how good that looks. Like, so I just finished having brunch, and while I'm gonna wait for my family to have lunch, I think I'm gonna be watching some Netflix. So recently I've been into Modern Family. I started last week and now I'm currently at season 8 because I binge watch a little. So I was gonna watch Umbrella Academy, but I watched it with my sister and she's busy right now, so I don't want to watch it by myself. So I think I'm gonna watch maybe an episode or two, then I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna do some work for my mom, taking pictures and stuff. So let's watch some Netflix. Also, I've been trying to drink a lot more water, so I put my water in this old Starbucks cup that a friend gifted to me a few years ago. I lost the straw, so I'm just using a metal straw. I think the straw makes me drink more water. I don't know why, but I'm trying to stay hydrated. So last night, I decided to learn a song on the piano, and I have little to no experience on the piano, but we have a piano at home because my sister plays, and I wanted to play a song from Folklore, and I'm in love with that album, and most of all, I am in love with the song Exile featuring Bon Iver, I'm not sure, but I am in love with that song. So I found a easy tutorial on YouTube and I decided to follow it. So don't roast me for my piano playing skills because I have none, and let's get on with the next clip. So I just finished editing some photos and my family is about to have lunch. So that's it for this morning routine and this week's vlog. If you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel, it really means a lot to me, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, check out my Instagram, I'll link it somewhere below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like it, let me know so I can make more of this vlog type of video. And with that, see you in my next one. Bye!